There is an angel who hears your silent prayers for money, an angel who opens the gates of wealth when your heart is clear and your intention is pure. Her name is Nithika, the divine bringer of financial blessings. If you're watching this, it's not a coincidence. Nithika led you here because she's ready to bless you. Yes, you can receive the money you ask for. Believe it. Nithika is the angel of wealth, luxury, and well-being. She belongs to the divine realm of abundance and comes when called with devotion. But, like all angels, she answers to energy, words, and intention. Her presence is subtle, glowing, and golden, often seen when you begin feeling sudden hope during darkness. Many see Nithika's logo as a glowing coin or a golden infinity loop. Others feel her presence in the number 888, a divine code of wealth. When you write or visualize her symbol, you activate your connection to her. Place the 888 or the coin sign on paper beside your prayer or affirmation. That becomes her doorway into your financial reality. Here, I provide you the symbol of Nithika. Use it for most effective way. Print it out. Look at it for 1 minute, caller, with the mantra I provide you. Speak these mantras with love, belief, and clarity. You may whisper, chant, or write them. Divine Angel Nithika, open my path to wealth. Nithika, bless me with unexpected money now. O Nithika, Angel of money, I welcome your gifts with love. Nithika, 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 I receive divine money. Nithika, I am ready. To connect deeply with Nithika, 1. Write your exact money wish on paper. Be specific. 2. Draw or place her symbol 888 or a golden coin. 3. Light a candle or incense if possible. Welcoming light attracts her. 4. Chant her mantra slowly with a calm heart and closed eyes. 5. Imagine golden light flowing into your wallet, your account, your home. 6. Say thank you as if the money is already there. Repeat this practice for 7 days and let signs come to you. Be open. Nithika's blessings often arrive in unexpected ways. Remember, Nithika works with belief, love, and purpose. Ask with a kind heart, give when you can, and receive without fear. She is real, she hears you, and she is coming to bless you. Subscribe the channel. Click the bell button for more updates and information.